Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video, we are going to learn a sliding navigation bar using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let me show you the example what we are talking about and what we are going to build in this example using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's go to the example and see the animation effect. It will slide from top to bottom, okay, as you will scroll. See, as you can see the animation, it is sliding from top to bottom. Okay, so in this video we are going to build this kind of animation bar and it has got drop down also. So let me show you the animation and see the child drop down also. See, as you can see, it is animating. Okay, and we are going to build each and everything like this in this video. Okay, so let's get started. So I hope it will help you in your personal as well as in your professional development. Okay, so let me show you. See, as you can see the animation effect, it is sliding from top to bottom. So in this video we are going to build this kind of navigation bar using HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Okay, so as you can see the animation effect, it is sliding from top to bottom and it has got child drop down also. It is also fading from bottom to top. See the animation effect. In this video we are going to make this kind of navigation bar. So let's get started. But before starting of the video, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER and please like all my videos so that it will help me, it will give me the confidence that I am making a video on each and every topic of web development and web designing. Okay, so please, I am requesting you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like all my videos. Okay, so guys, let's get started and make this kind of animation bar in our project. Okay, see the animation. Okay, and child drop down also, everything is animating here. So in this video we are going to use CSS animation also. So I hope you know about CSS animation. So let's get started now, and I am going to my code editor now. I am creating a new page. Save this as main navbar.html. okay, save this file, HTML code with ER. Okay, Prabhat. So first of all, let me paste this CDN file for font awesome, and so here I am pasting this CDN link for font awesome. Okay, we are not going to use Bootstrap in this file, but let it be here only. So we are not using any Bootstrap here. It will be fully custom classes, fully custom session. We are going to use CSS, HTML and JavaScript, okay, to build this kind of navigation bar. Okay, this kind of navigation bar, it will be sliding from top to bottom as you will scroll. Okay, so and we are going to build this kind of child drop down also. Okay, so let's get started now. First of all, create HTML. Create a div, give it a class as main navbar. Okay, give it a ID also, main navbar. Okay, close this div, create another div inside this div and give it a class as main navbar contents. Close this div now. Inside this div create another div, give it a class as logo container, close this div now, and inside this div create another div, give it a class as text logo, okay, logo text, and close this div now. Inside this div create a span tag, give it a class as text logo, okay, and close this span, okay, give code with here, okay. Inside this div create another div, give it a class as navbar menu, and close this div, okay. So inside this div create another div, give it a class as menu, okay, close this div now, and inside this div create ul, give it a class as menu lists, okay, close this ul. Inside this ul create li, and give it a class as menu li, okay, close this li now, okay, and inside this li create anchor tag, give it JavaScript void so it will not redirect us anywhere, and give it a class also as menu links, okay, as menu links, okay. So close this a tag, give text as home, okay, save this, copy this li and paste it 6 times according to your requirement. Change this text to about us, this text to services, this to status, and this text to web design, and this text to login, okay. Save this file, open this file in the browser and see the output. So as of now we can see only this, we have to style this so that it will look good, okay. So now go to the style sheet, I'm going to create internal style sheet. Go to the head section and create style sheet, okay. So go to the top, let's create our style sheet, give margin as 0, padding as 0, box sizing, add border box, give border box, list style type as none, border as none. Okay, so padding has already given, so that's it. Target body, give color as black, give position as relative, display as block, list style type none, give padding 0, give margin also 0. Okay, so now I'm going to target this navbar. Okay, just watch this video till last, and I'm sure you will going to learn something. You will know what is CSS animation also in this video. Okay, so just be there till last. I am requesting you. So now we are going to target this main navbar, give position as relative, display as flex, justify content as center, and align item center, align content center. Okay, width 100%. You will know media query also in this video. Give height auto, give background color as this black, give box sizing as border box, give box shadow, give box shadow 1 pixel, 2 pixel and 20px RGBA. Okay, and give opacity only 0.3. okay, so flex shrink, give initial flex, give flex direction as row, give flex wrap as wrap. Okay, give flex bro initial, give flex basis as auto, give margin as 0, give padding as 20px and 0px, give transition all 0.3 second, give ease. Okay, okay, give border bottom thin solid as DDD. Okay, so save the page. Now we are going to target this main navbar contents. Okay, so this is a class, we have to give point, paste it here and start styling it. Okay, so give position as relative, give display as flex, give justify content as center. Okay, give flex direction as row, give flex wrap as wrap, give width 100%. Okay, give height as auto. Okay, just save the page, go to the browser and refresh it. Okay, so as you can see, we are here. Now we are going to divide this logo container and this navbar menu container. I will give this logo container width as 30% and I will give this navbar menu container width as 70%. Okay, so that the 100 will be divided into two parts, 30 and 70. Okay, so guys, let's get started now. So go to logo container, this is the parent, so we will divide it, we will give it width of 30%. Okay, so give width 30%, give position relative. We are creating this navigation bar, okay, fully custom. We are not going to use any CSS framework like Bootstrap, Tailwinds, nothing like that. We are going to create this navigation bar from scratch. Okay, I know we can create this navigation bar easily using Bootstrap, but Bootstrap is not going to provide you this kind of animation, okay, this kind of effect. For this kind of animation, this kind of effect, you have to know CSS, JavaScript and HTML, and you know how to customize the things. So I will recommend you guys, please start using your own CSS in your project, in your file, so that you will feel confident that okay, I can create this kind of navigation bar. Bootstrap is not going to create this kind of navigation bar. Okay, just remember one thing, you have to create this kind of navigation bar on your own using CSS, custom styling sheet. Okay, so we are doing that only. So give display as flex, text align center, justify content center, give align self as center, give okay, save the file. Now go to this logo text, so you should be knowing how to create things using custom CSS, custom JavaScript, custom HTML. Okay, there are lots of predefined things, but you should be knowing how to create that only. Okay, on your own you will feel confident. Okay, so give text transform capitalize, give font size as 30px, give color as white, give font family as sans serif. Okay, now I am going to target this text logo. Okay, give position as relative, font family as sans serif. Okay, save the file, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so we are here now. Now I am going to target this navbar menu, and I am going to give this parent as width of 70%. Okay, the entire width, this is the parent for this navigation bar. Okay, so I'm going to target this now, give width 70%. So we have divided 100% into two parts, 30% and 70%. Okay, so now give position as relative, height as auto, give justify content as center, give align item center, align content as center, give flex direction as row, and give flex wrap as wrap. Okay, so it is going to wrap our navbar, our menu, into the parent container. Okay, it won't let the menu, navbar, navigation link flow out of the container. Okay, so flex shrink as initial and okay, just save the page and go to the browser and refresh it. So now we are going to target this menu list. Okay, this menu list, the container of li. Okay, this is the ul menu lists. Okay, now we are going to target this. So give display as flex, justify content as center, give position as relative, give align item as center, give align content as center, give list style type as none, give padding as 0, give margin also 0, give flex wrap as wrap, give flex, give flex direction as row, give justify content, give flex end. Okay, save the file, go to the browser and refresh your page, and let's see the output. Refresh the page now. So we are here. So give flex start. Okay, refresh the page. So give space between. Let's see. Okay, give center. Okay, so we are here now, and now we are going to target this menu li. Okay, this menu li. So this menu li we are going to target now. Give position as relative, padding 0 and margin also 0, give list style type as none, and give line height as auto. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, now we are going to target this menu link. We are going to target this menu link. Okay, first of all give this as width 100% and justify content center, justify content center, align item as center, display as flex, and give align content as center, give position as relative. Save the file. Now we are going to target this menu link. Okay, so give text align as center, give text decoration none, give cursor as pointer, give font family sans serif, give font weight 400, give position as relative, give color as white, give display as inline block, give text align text, give text align as center, already given, so no need to give again. Give text transform uppercase, give padding as 12 px, give font size as 14 px, give transition all 0.3 second is okay. So just save the file, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so we are here now. Okay, we will make each and everything like that only. Okay, so let me menu link, so copy this, paste it here on hover. Okay, text decoration as none and color as white, and copy this transition from here and paste it here. Okay, save the file, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so we are having this now. Now we are going to create this kind of animating child drop down. Okay, so let's go here and create a child drop down now. Create a child drop down now. So under this li, okay, we have to create child drop down under this li only. Remember one thing, otherwise you will face lot of difficulties and you won't be able to achieve what you are going to achieve. Okay, so we have to create child drop down inside this li only. Okay, inside this li only, remember one thing always. So create a div, give it a class as drop down holder, close this div now. Okay, and inside this div create ul now. Okay, ul, give it a class as drop down, close this ul now. Inside this ul now create li. Okay, create li, give it a class as drop down li. Okay, so close this li now, and inside this li create a anchor tag. Okay, give it a class JavaScript void, so it won't redirect us anywhere when user will click on this menu as of now. Okay, so give it a class as drop down links. Okay, and give top. Okay, and close this a. Okay, and inside this a give website designing. Okay, website designing. Copy this li, okay, and paste it 6 times, okay, and we'll change the text to according to our need, according to our requirements. Okay, so here logo designing, logo designing. Here e-commerce website, e-commerce websites, and here change this text to banner designing, and this text to Android apps, and this text to mobile app designing. Okay, mobile app development. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser and refresh it. Okay, as of now we are not able to see this, so we are going to style it now. We will make each and everything like this only. Okay, just be there and watch the video till end. I'm sure you're going to learn a lot of things from this video, so be there till last. So now we will target this style sheet. So now go to copy this drop down folder. This is the parent for this UL. Okay, for this UL this is the parent. So first of all we are going to target this, it's parent only. So give position as relative. Okay, display as block, and transition all 0.3 sec is. Okay, now we are going to target this UL, this drop down. Okay, so give position as absolute, left 0, top 0, and right 0. Give width as 300px, give display as flex. Okay, give flex direction as column. Okay, give flex wrap as no wrap, give flex shrink as initial, give flex flow as column, give background as white, give box sizing, add border box, give box shadow 3px, 2px, 10px, RGBA. Just change the opacity only, give it to 2. Okay, give height as auto, give color as black, give z index as 999, give, as of now give opacity to 1. Okay, so we will change this opacity later. We will change this opacity to 0 and visibility to hidden. Okay, so give visibility as of now visible. Okay, so later we will change this opacity to 0 and this visibility to hidden. Okay, so list style type as none, give padding also 0, give margin also 0, give transition all 0.3 sec is. Okay, just save the file, go down and copy this drop down li. Okay, so give position as relative, give display as block, give list style type as none, give padding as 0, give margin as 0, give width as 100%. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page and see the output. Okay, so as of now we are able to see this only. We'll change this later. Okay, we'll make each and everything exactly like this. So just hold on there till last. You will get to know a lot of things from this video, from this session. Okay, so I am requesting you be there till last, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos. Okay, so it will motivate me. So now we are going to create this. Okay, this we are going to create this. Okay, so copy this drop down. We are going to use CSS pseudo classes before and after. Okay, to create this rectangle. Okay, to create this as you can see this point. Okay, it is pointing to services, it is pointing to profile, it is pointing to account. Okay, we are going to create it now. So we are going to use before and after pseudo classes. Okay, so before, give position as absolute, give display as block, give content nothing, give top as -22px, give left as 29px, give z index as 9, give border top, give border top 11px, solid and transparent, give border bottom 11px, solid and Gainsborough. Okay, give border left as 11px, solid transparent. Okay, and give border right 11px, solid and transparent. Okay, just copy this entire before classes and paste it below and change this to after. Okay, change this to after and just adjust something. Okay, so we have to give this as white and make this as 21. Let's save the code and go to the browser, and we'll explain you later what I have did here. Okay, just refresh your page. See, as you can see, we are able to see now this triangle. Okay, just inspect this and inspect and adjust according to your need, according to your requirement. So top, so after, give 18. This is the after, give 18. You can customize according to your need. Okay, before, before is 20, before is 20. Okay, so we have created this pointer now. Okay, like this, we have created this pointer now, like this. Okay, so this is the pointer, it is pointing to home. Okay, as of now. So here we have used this drop down, and on this drop down we are going to apply before and after pseudo classes. Okay, here border top is, we have given all the four border. Okay, top, bottom, left and right. Okay, we have given here all the borders. Okay, top, bottom, left, right. But what we have did know, we have hidden the top border, we have hidden the left border, and we have hidden the right border. Okay, we just have to display the top border. Okay, so here we have given 11 pixels solid and Gainsborough. Okay, likewise for after also we have given all the four borders. Okay, top, left, right and bottom. Okay, but we have hidden the top, the left and the right. We have given only the bottom border. Okay, so it is visible here as triangle. Okay, so border top, border bottom, border left and border right is the cause for this creation. Okay, this pointer creation. We have to hide, just see, it is a top, no, it is a top border, so we have to use bottom. Okay, we have to use bottom, and otherwise we have to hide all the top, left and right using transparent. Okay, using transparent. See, we have given here transparent, and we have also only shown the bottom border. Okay, given 11px solid F and given 11px solid Gainsborough. You can change this color according to requirement, according to your need. For I just wanted to show you how to create this kind of pointer. Okay, using CSS. So let's go and move ahead. So now we are going to target this drop down link. Okay, so it is a class, paste it here. So now we are going to target this drop down link. So give position as relative, display as block. Okay, cursor as pointer, cursor as pointer, text decoration as none, give text align as left, give color as black, give font size 15px, give font family sans serif, give font weight 500, text transform capitalize, give transition all 0.3 sec, give ease. Okay, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, and refresh your page. So refresh your page now. Okay, so as you can see, display block and give width 100%. So drop down links. Okay, okay, give padding 15px. Okay, so now we are able to see like this. Okay, so just go to here, this drop down and give border radius. Border radius is according to your need. If you wish to give border radius, this is also looking fine. Okay, but let me give border radius of 3px. Okay, so only 3px is okay. Make it 5px and let's see. Yeah, 5px is okay. Okay, 5px is okay. So go to this li, give it transition all 0.3 sec is. Okay, copy this li, go here, paste it here, and on hover give background color as Gainsborough. Okay, and transition all 0.3 sec is. Okay, save the code, go to your browser and refresh it. Okay, so but we have got one issue. We will fix this issue also. So copy this, we have got one issue, and paste it here, close this, on hover text decoration as none, and transition all 0.3 sec is. Okay, save your code, go to the browser and refresh it. Text decoration, okay, save your code, go to the browser and refresh it. So and give the color as black. Okay, save your code. So as you can see, we are not able to see the border radius here. Okay, we are not able to see border radius when we are hovering. So like this. Like this. Okay, so we have to make like this. So go to the, as you can see, I have given top here and give bottom here. Okay, so go give top. Okay, and copy this entire CSS and paste it here, and change this to red for recognition, so that we can recognize that this top is working. Okay, so let me remove the all top. I just copied and pasted, that's why it's here. It should not be here. Save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so now go here, give top and give border top left radius as 0px and border top right radius as 0px. Save your code and go to the browser and refresh it. So important, save your code. Save your code. Give overflow. I'm just checking overflow hidden. Okay. Overflow hidden is working. So can I put I'm just checking something. Okay, so don't worry. I'm just checking something. So it's worked. So comment this top, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. See, it's working now. We're able to see it now. Okay, Border radius also we are able to see now. So close this, delete it. Okay, no extra code should be there. Your code should be very clean and very optimized. Okay, so then only you will be recognized as a good web developer, a good creator. Okay, so it should be fully recognized, fully optimize your code. So just from here, this drop down to this div, just copy this and paste inside this li. Okay, inside this li and inside this li also. As of now only 3. Just save your code and refresh your browser. Okay, so now give it a class as show. Give it a class as show. So this li as show. Okay, so as of now we have to give display as none. Save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so we have to give display as none. Okay, so as of now display block, and we have to change the top. So inspect it, drop down. Okay, so change the value of top. Change the value of top. Can I give position absolute to this? Top 30px or minus 30px. So give top as 60px. Save your code. Okay, so whenever someone will hover on this show, okay, show on hover, we have to show this drop down holder. Okay, and we have to change the value of top. Okay, so give top as 0px and transition all 0.3 second is. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser and refresh it. So display none. Okay, display none, show on hover, drop down and display block. Okay, so we have to give display as block and visibility as hidden and opacity as 0. Okay, and we have to change this to visible and opacity to 1. Visible, this to 1. Save your code, go to the browser. See, we are not able to see animation. we have to change the value of top. So top is going to 20 now. Give 20 as of now. Give 30. Give 40. See, now it's looking exactly okay. So it's now working. So now we have to put font awesome icon so that it will show that this is a drop down menu. Okay, I class as fafa, angle up, area hidden as true. Okay, and close this li. Okay, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. So okay, copy this I and paste inside about us also and inside services also. Save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so we should not give this, give position as relative. Okay, and remove all the things. So whenever we have to give visibility hidden and opacity to 0, and now show our drop down. Okay, so drop down, change this to drop down only, drop down. Save your code, go to the browser and refresh it. We have got one issue. Okay, so remove overflow from here and remove overflow here and remove border radius also, and inspect it, go to the drop down and visibility visible, give opacity 0 and give top as 36, give top as 37px and give top here is 10. Okay, give top as 0. So save your code, go to the browser. See, we are getting our desired output. We are getting our desired output. Okay, so we just have to change one thing, this before and after. First, show this drop down visibility and this. So we have to change this before and after. So change the value. Okay, now change the before is 21, change the top value. So drop down after is 20, after is 20, and before is 21. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser and see. Now it's working super fine. Okay, we have got what we wanted to achieve. Now we are going to implement the sliding effect, this sliding effect. Now we are going to implement. Okay, now we are going to implement this sliding effect. So it's working super fine now, no issue at all. Okay, it is working fine. So now we are going to give this sliding effect using JavaScript. Okay, this sliding animation effect using JavaScript. So go to the code, go down and write JavaScript for sliding animation effect. Okay, so we will create two class for adding. Give header sticky. Okay, give position as fixed, top as 0, left as 0, right as 0, and z index as 999. Now we are going to create sliding effect animation, CSS animation. Okay, so we are going to create CSS animation now. So we are going to create CSS animation now. Name is slide in down. Okay, slide in down. So give animation name as slide in down. Okay, give animation duration. Okay, as ms. Okay, give animation timing function as is in. Okay, give animation iteration count as 1. We will only animate one time. Okay, animation fill mode as forwards. animation direction as alternate. Okay, fine. So now we are going to create this animation. Okay, for creating animation you have to use @keyframes and animation name. Okay, for CSS3 animation we have to use @keyframes and animation name. So this is the animation name. Okay, this is the animation name here, slide in. So close this and open this. So CSS animation is start from to and from. Okay, so to means initial and from means last. Okay, so I am going to give 0%. Okay, so give opacity as 0 and transform as translate y. Okay, minus 100 px. Okay, and also for vendor. Okay, webkit for vendor. Okay, copy this and paste it 2 times for 50% and for 100%. This is for 50% and this is for 100%. Okay, so change the value of the opacity to 1 0 minus 100% minus 100%. Change this to 0%. This also to 0%. Okay, and this to 100%. This to also 0% and this to also 0%. Okay, so this is the CSS3 animation. Okay, @keyframes and animation name. Okay, so now we are going to write JavaScript and we will apply these two classes, sticky header and slide in down to this main navbar whenever user will scroll down. Okay, like this. When I am scrolling down, I am applying a class over this navbar. Okay, I am applying 2 classes over this navbar when I scroll down using JavaScript. Okay, so we are going to do that only now. Go to the code, go down, create a script tag. Okay, so start writing your JavaScript now. So JavaScript now. So window. So this function is going to work when window is scrolling. Okay, this is effect of on scroll. Okay, so we are scrolling the window, we are scrolling the page. Okay, so window dot on scroll. Okay, we are going to run one function. Okay, and this is the function name. Okay, sticky. We are going to run this function when window is going to scroll, when we scroll the page from top to bottom. Okay, so where header equal to document dot get element by id. Okay, so we are going to get the element by its id. So we are going to get this element main navbar. Okay, main navbar. So copy it here, paste it here. Okay, main navbar. So where sticky header equal to this header this header dot offset top. So offset top is going to provide, so as of now this header is at 0 position. Okay, as of now this header is at 0 position. As we will scroll down, okay, as of now this header is at 0 position. As we will scroll down, it is going to increase its position like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let me show you the go to the console and see, refresh the page now, refresh the page. See, as of now this header is at 0 position. Okay, so it is not going to apply any effect. As we will scroll, this 0 will increase. See, it is increasing. See, it is increasing. Okay, so we are going to achieve this. So this is the header top at 0th position. It is at 0 position as of now. Okay, the entire header, the entire navbar is as of now is at 0th position, means at 0 position. Okay, so now again we will create a function known as this sticky. Okay, the function name, we don't need any arguments as of now, so we'll remove this. Okay, and this is the body of the function. We are going to define what we are going to achieve through this function in the body of the function. Okay, so we are going to do that now. So okay, so if window dot scroll y is greater than sticky header, okay, then what we will do, we have to define it here. Okay, so header dot class list dot add. As you all know, in JavaScript we are going to append class or CSS class by using class list and dot add. Okay, so it will add the class on this header. Okay, this class, this CSS class, the class is sticky header, and the next one is we are going to append two classes. Okay, so you know, as you all know, class list, you can add multiple classes, you just have to give it, separate by it by comma. Okay, so we have to separate it by comma, so I'm doing that only, and we are pasting here multiple classes, more than one classes, and we have to separate it by comma only. And next class is slide in down. Okay, else we have to remove the class, we have to remove the class, so remove. Okay, remove. Let me explain you what is window.scroll y. Okay, so let me explain you what is window.scroll y. Window.scroll y will give you the scroll position of your page, scroll position of your page. As you can see, let me refresh it again. See, as of now this header is at 0 position. When I will scroll this window, this browser, this page, you are going to see some increasing number here. Okay, this number is increasing. This is your scroll bar, this is your scroll bar as of now. As of now it is here 4 5 6. Again I am scrolling down, the number is going on increase, it's keep increasing, it's keep increasing, it's keep increasing, it will keep increasing, keep increasing. It will stop once I reach bottom of the page. Okay, so once I reach bottom of the page, it has stopped. Okay, it is not increasing now. Okay, it is not increasing now. So this window.scroll will give you the scroll position of your page, how much you have scrolled your page down. Okay, this window.scroll y will give you the scroll position of your page, that how much you have scrolled your page down. Okay, So this is here I am checking how much I have scrolled down to a sticky header. It will always return 0. This header dot offset will always return 0. Okay, 0 position. So it is checking if window dot scroll is greater than sticky header, means is greater than 0. Okay, so it will apply this class. If it is not, then it will apply this class. So let me save this code and go to the browser and see we have achieved our goal or not. So save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, let me comment this and let me paste one thing from here. Let me paste one thing from here, this. Okay, this, paste it here so that we will get some kind of scroll bar we will get. Okay, so refresh your page now and see we are getting, but we have got some kind of issues also. Let me inspect. Okay, so what is the issue now? We have got some issues also. We have got some issues now. Let me check once again. Okay, okay, so in 50% we have to give only opacity. Okay, remove this and refresh, go to your browser, refresh your page. And we are getting ठीक है, आजा नहीं, आजा नहीं चाहिए बोले हो, नहीं मैं बता दूंगा आपको, मत बेल में बजाना, बेल नहीं बजाना, हाँ, ठीक है, और किस बना पड़ेगी नहीं करना, हाँ मैं बता दूंगा, अभी आप रहोगे ना यहाँ पे, we've got one issue. Transform. Make it px. Make it px also. And save a code. Go to the browser. Opacity to, make opacity to 1 and then see if it is working. Yeah, it's working now. Yeah, everything is working fine now. So we have got one issue and I have resolved this. See, for 0% you have to give opacity 0, for 50% opacity 1, and for 100% give opacity as 1. Okay, so save your code now, go to the browser and see we are getting the effect. Okay, by getting the effect now. Everything is fine and perfect. Okay, no issue at all. So close this, inspect now, go here and see everything is working fine. Okay, so I hope you understand what I did here. Okay, so this is nothing. Here it will return this header, it will return always 0. Okay, header dot offset top, it will return always 0. Window dot scroll y will return how much page you have scrolled down in number. Okay, so suppose as of now it is on 0, I am scrolling, it will be 100, 20, 22, 23, 24 up to whatever it is. Okay, so it will going to return a number, always number. Okay, so we are checking here if window dot scroll y is greater than this 0, as it will return always 0. So we are checking here window dot scroll y is greater than sticky header means 0, then we will add header dot class list dot add to, we are going to append two classes, header is sticky and slide in down. If it is not, then we are going to remove these classes from this header. Okay, so our code has worked now, super fine, no issue at all. So go your page, refresh it and see it again if it is working. Yeah, it's working super fine, everything is working fine. So I hope guys you have understood a lot of things from this video. Okay, so we have come to end of this session. So thank you guys, I hope you have got a lot of information, lot of learning material from this video. If you think you have learned something from this video, if you have got some knowledge, if you have understood this video, so I would like to request you guys, please like my videos and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, as you all know, my all video is dedicated to someone who is very close to my heart, who is very close to my emotions. So thank you guys for watching this video till end, and see you in the next video. Till then,